This is me, Maaike, and I'm going to show you how you put it back together. First, you take this piece. Okay, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so there we go. You take two pieces of cardboard. One like that. See? Then you take this one, and you slide it onto that one. See, like that. Then you take the sticks. This one, you can go through, oh wait, you gotta tell which one goes where. The stick with the edge bit, like that, goes through these two holes, I think. Okay, Henry, can you hold the phone and film me? Just keep videoing what I'm doing. Put it through both of the holes so the shape of the cardboard will stick. You gotta make it go all the way so that it touches the ground, like that. And then you take this curved stick with the green bit on top, and this one goes through these two to go up on top. See, there we go. You gotta get it up through that one. It's not doing it very nicely here. See, then you gotta get it through there. I recommend putting in this one with the green tip in first next time. With the bottom, you gotta actually put it in this way. So then you push it in like so. And then you twist it so that it looks like this, so that the birds can sit on this part here. And then you put the smallest one in here. And this one. Through this one. And then I think it might be a nice idea. See, we turn that so it makes kind of a Y shape. You can maybe make a nest and put it there. And then the birds can still sit up top here. It's just a bit different. It's just a bit tilted a different way. Let's see if I can work that out. See, there we go. And then there you go. You have it. You gotta turn that one so see how it touches the end there. So it'll be balanced. And then you can the cardboard, Henry. My brother says that this one, the one closest to the ground, he says that it could be in water. I think if you extended it a bit more, and this part was on ground, and then there's water down right here, and this bit could be in the water. But then, you see, the cardboard will be wood if you like this model. So, me and my brother made it. There's my brother. And then Henry, show me. And that.